How does methadone affect the brain and central nervous system? Have you ever wondered how methadone interacts with our brain and central nervous system? This synthetic opioid plays a significant role in pain management and treating opioid addiction. Let's break down its effects. Methadone works by binding to opioid receptors in the brain. This action alters how we perceive pain and blocks the pleasurable effects of other opioids, like heroin or morphine. By doing this, methadone helps prevent withdrawal symptoms and cravings in those recovering from opioid addiction. However, the influence of methadone goes beyond just pain relief. Long-term use can lead to changes in brain structure and function. Research indicates that chronic methadone treatment may damage gray matter in the brain. This damage often occurs in areas responsible for attention, memory, and problem-solving. Cognitive impairments can arise from these changes. Individuals may experience difficulties with processing information, both in the short term and long term. Attention span can also be affected, making it harder to focus on tasks. Studies using animal models show that prolonged exposure to methadone can lead to neurodegenerative effects, especially in the hippocampus. This area of the brain is essential for learning and memory. The degeneration is linked to inflammation processes in the brain, which involve the activation of immune and support cells. This inflammation can result in nerve cell damage. On a neurochemical level, methadone can decrease key signaling molecules in the brain. This disruption can interfere with normal communication between neurons, contributing to cognitive deficits. While methadone is effective for managing opioid dependence, its long-term use carries risks for brain health. Methadone also leads to physical dependence. The brain adapts to its presence, resulting in tolerance. This means that higher doses may be needed to achieve the same effect. If someone suddenly stops using methadone, they may experience withdrawal symptoms. This dependence is a critical factor in treatment planning, requiring careful dosage management to avoid overdose or severe withdrawal. In summary, methadone affects the brain and central nervous system in several ways. It modifies opioid receptor activity to relieving pain and block opioid highs. Long-term use can cause structural and functional changes in the brain, impairing cognitive functions like memory and attention. Methadone can also induce neurodegenerative changes through inflammatory processes and lead to physical dependence, tolerance, and withdrawal symptoms. Understanding these effects is vital for using methadone safely, especially in addiction treatment. Balancing its benefits in reducing opioid misuse against potential neurological harms is essential for effective recovery plans.